Hello, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about a topic that's near and dear to many of our hearts: financial freedom. If you are tired of living paycheck to paycheck or feeling stressed about your finances, then you are in the right place. Whether you are looking to build wealth, get out of debt, or simply live a more fulfilling life, achieving financial freedom is the key. So let's dive in and explore some practical tips and strategies to help you get there. Firstly, it's important to define what financial freedom means to you. For some, it could mean having enough money to retire comfortably. For others, it could mean having the freedom to travel and pursue their passions without being limited by their finances. Whatever your definition is, make sure it's clear in your mind. The next step is to take control of your finances. This means creating a budget and tracking your expenses. Knowing where your money is going is the first step in managing it better. There are many budgeting apps and tools available that can make this process easier. Once you have a clear understanding of your expenses, it's time to focus on increasing your income. This could mean negotiating a raise at work, starting a side hustle, or investing in stocks or real estate. The key is to find a way to increase your income that aligns with your interests and skills. Now, let's talk about debt. If you have any outstanding debts, it's important to prioritize paying them off. High-interest debts like credit card balances should be tackled first. Once you've paid off your debts, you'll have more money to invest in your future. Investing is a crucial part of achieving financial freedom. It's important to start early and make smart investment decisions. This could mean investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, or other investment vehicles. There are many online platforms that make investing accessible to everyone. Another important aspect of financial freedom is having an emergency fund. This should be at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. It's important to have this safety net in place so that unexpected expenses don't derail your financial goals. Now, let's talk about living below your means. This means making conscious decisions about your spending and focusing on what's really important. It's about finding ways to save money without sacrificing your quality of life. One way to live below your means is to reduce your housing expenses. This could mean downsizing or finding a more affordable living arrangement. It's also important to be mindful of your transportation costs. Consider carpooling, taking public transportation, or biking to work. Another way to save money is to be conscious of your food expenses. Eating out can be expensive, so try cooking at home more often. Meal planning and buying in bulk can also save you money in the long run. Now, let's talk about the importance of setting financial goals. It's important to have a clear idea of what you want to achieve financially and to set achievable goals to get there. This could mean saving for a down payment on a home or paying off your student loans. It's also important to be patient and persistent in your pursuit of financial freedom. It's not going to happen overnight, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can achieve your goals. One strategy that can help you stay motivated is to surround yourself with like-minded individuals. Joining a financial community or attending financial seminars can be a great way to connect with others who are on a similar journey. Now, let's talk about the importance of financial education. It's crucial to educate yourself about personal finance and investing. This will help you make informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes. There are many resources available for financial education, including books, podcasts, and online courses. It's important to find a resource that resonates with you and to make learning a lifelong pursuit. Another important aspect of achieving financial freedom is to be mindful of your credit score. Your credit score is a key factor in many financial decisions, such as getting a loan or a credit card. Make sure to check your credit score regularly and take steps to improve it if necessary. It's also important to be aware of the fees and charges associated with financial products. This includes credit card fees, bank account fees, and investment fees. Make sure to read the fine print and choose products with low fees. One way to save money on fees is to shop around for financial products. Don't just go with the first product you see, take the time to compare options and choose the one that works best for you. Another important aspect of financial freedom is to have a plan for retirement. This means saving for retirement as early as possible and making smart investment decisions. A financial advisor can help you create a retirement plan that works for you. It's also important to have a plan for healthcare expenses in retirement. This includes understanding your Medicare options and planning for long-term care if necessary. When it comes to investing, it's important to diversify your portfolio. This means investing in a variety of different assets to reduce risk. A financial advisor can help you create a diversified investment portfolio. It's also important to be aware of the tax implications of your investments. This means understanding how different investment vehicles are taxed and making smart decisions to minimize your tax burden. When it comes to real estate, it's important to do your research and understand the local market. This includes understanding property values, rental rates, and local regulations. Real estate can be a great investment opportunity, but it's important to do your due diligence. Another important aspect of financial freedom is giving back to others. This could mean donating to charity, volunteering your time, or supporting local businesses. Giving back not only helps others, but it can also bring a sense of fulfillment and purpose to your life. It's also important to take care of your physical and mental health. This means exercising regularly, getting enough sleep, and managing stress. Taking care of your health can help you avoid costly medical expenses and improve your overall quality of life. When it comes to managing your finances, it's important to have a system in place. This could mean using a budgeting app, setting up automatic savings, or creating a financial calendar. Having a system in place can help you stay organized and on track with your goals. Another important aspect of financial freedom is being mindful of your spending habits. This means avoiding impulse purchases and focusing on what's really important to you. It's also important to be aware of your emotional triggers for spending and finding healthy ways to cope with them. When it comes to making financial decisions, it's important to be aware of your biases. This includes things like confirmation bias, where we only seek out information that confirms our existing beliefs. Being aware of our biases can help us make more informed decisions. It's also important to be aware of scams and frauds in the financial world. This includes things like phishing emails, investment scams, and identity theft. Make sure to educate yourself on common scams and be cautious when giving out personal information. When it comes to managing your finances, it's important to communicate with your partner or spouse. This means being open and honest about your financial goals and working together to achieve them. It's also important to be aware of any financial red flags in your relationship. Another important aspect of financial freedom is being prepared for emergencies. This means having a plan in place for unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs. It's also important to have insurance policies in place to protect yourself and your assets. When it comes to achieving financial freedom, it's important to celebrate your successes along the way. This means taking the time to acknowledge your progress and reward yourself for reaching milestones. Celebrating your successes can help keep you get motivated. Finally, it's important to have patience and persistence when it comes to achieving financial freedom. This is not a quick fix or a one-time decision, it's a long-term journey. There will be ups and downs along the way, but with persistence and patience, you can achieve your goals. Another important aspect of financial freedom is education. This means continually learning about personal finance, investing, and money management. There are plenty of resources available, from books and podcasts to online courses and financial advisors. It's also important to be mindful of your social circle when it comes to money. Surround yourself with people who support your financial goals and share your values. Avoid those who encourage unhealthy spending habits or discourage your efforts to achieve financial freedom. Finally, remember that financial freedom is not just about accumulating wealth, it's about living a fulfilling and meaningful life. Don't forget to enjoy the journey and focus on what truly matters to you. Money is a tool to help you achieve your goals, but it's not the end goal in itself. In conclusion, achieving financial freedom is a worthy goal that requires dedication, discipline, and a long-term perspective. By following these tips and strategies, you can take control of your finances, build wealth, and live the life you truly want. Start taking steps towards financial freedom today, your future self will thank you. I hope you found this video helpful in your journey towards financial freedom. Remember, achieving financial freedom is a long-term process that requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn. By following these tips and strategies, you can take control of your finances, build wealth, and live the life you truly want. So go ahead and take the first step towards financial freedom today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more personal finance tips and strategies.